In April 2024, the Persian Gulf region witnessed unprecedented flooding, with several states receiving nearly a year's worth of rain in just a single day. These floods had a devastating impact across the region, resulting in the tragic loss of at least 32 lives. The heavy rainfall was caused by a powerful mesoscale convective system, a weather phenomenon exacerbated by the effects of climate change. From Oman and the United Arab Emirates to Iran, Bahrain, and Yemen, communities grappled with flash flooding, power outages, and transportation disruptions. As the region continues to reel from the aftermath, governments are working to assess the damages and provide support to affected families. These extraordinary weather events serve as a stark reminder of the urgent need to address the global climate crisis.